Wow, we're back. The shovels had to sit down for a minute just so I could show you we've been really working hard. Here, take me shoveling, for example. I'm really a hard worker. This shoveling, tell me if you see me okay.
Yep.
This is a lot of work. I mean, this is heavy duty snowman. This is no joke. This is hi. This is take a picture if you can as well. You might last longer, literally. You know. You see me? Now you don't. Head down, busy. Oh man, this is awesome. We have to work as a team. Give you a break, you got a head start. All right, maybe I want a little break. Go ahead and keep it pushing with that shovel. We are quite busy. You were able to get the full body shot of me shoveling? Yep. Now I'm doing it with you. Telling you, this is real life teamwork. And, you know, this won't get done with one person. Team us to the rescue. We work on everything together. We have to. That's how it is. There's no I in team. This is Team Us. This is Team Us 2K.
Team Us 2K.
Team Us 2K TV.
Team Us 2K TV and the shovel.
With a shovel. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're working with. Look at all this snow. This is the difference. So this side was what we've been working on. This side is barely touched. I mean, oh my God, we have a mountain over here. This is quite a bit of snow. Well, this is what it is, guys. You have to get into this, pattern of plowing. I could use a plow on a pickup truck right now if I could. I would surely appreciate one. Be really nice. But this, you know, we've been talking about trying to exercise. Well, we got a workout today, a weekly workout in one day. And we're still planning to keep it up and continue with more shoveling, as you know. Just showing you a little bit of the ambiance and what's going on with all this snow. But there you've had it. 6 minutes of snow shoveling with Team Us. So stay tuned for more episodes of craziness with Team Us on Team Us 2K TV. And we out.